Looks like fun is fixing to go down. Well, good morning. Welcome back to Old Dude Productions. How about a breakfast sandwich? Yeah, that sounds good, right? Except I'm going to have one without egg, because I just ain't paying $1 an egg. I just, people have gone nuts on these egg prices. Oh my God, they'll use, oh, it's the egg flu. I mean, I heard this the last time, and you talk to the people that are raising chickens and eggs. It's the middleman, or it's the Walmarts, or the Special K's, or the Tom Thomases, or somebody. But the farmers ain't getting it, I promise. So we're going to do one without an egg. First thing we're going to do is cook this jalapeno. Get a knife here. I'm going to cut it lengthwise. This is a big jalapeno. Hey, you see it compared to this hamburger bun? It's a small hamburger bun, but and let's see, what are we going to do? We're going to split it long ways one time. We're going to leave the seeds in. Leave the seeds in for a little attitude. There, you see there? I want a little char on each side of these. And turn it up on high. You think these few seeds are going to bother me? I told you I like attitude in my sandwiches. It won't take them long to get a little char on them. I'm going to turn them up on high and let them rip, Tater Chip. Don't curl up on me. Move them around, make sure nobody in a spot they shouldn't be. Get some color on the outside. He's cooking now, baby. Got perfect candles. There's 3 pieces, because bologna ain't never thick enough unless you get it cut off of a big chub. Make a little room here. All right, I've got the kids flipped over and got a little color on them. Get some of this jalapeno up here. Come on, get over here. Emma? There you go. Guess what's going to go on top of those jalapenos? Waving the yellow flag at them. Perfect. Now you know what's going to go on top of that? Perfect. Perfect. Let's get this baby on the cutting board. I give you a grilled jalapeno bologna and cheese sandwich. It sure is going to be good. Let's get a bite of this. It smells so good. Bon appetit. You don't miss the egg. Savor the flavor. Yep. Well, I appreciate y'all being here. I'm back on my videos. you really, the ones that have subscribed, I really appreciate it. I'm trying to get to 2,000 subscribers. I think I'm at 1,900 and something this morning. And I appreciate it if you share my videos. That help my subscription rate go up. They don't cost nothing. And subscribe. That way you get that little bell there, ding, 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 anytime that I drop a new video. And you never know when I'm going to put a new video out there. So I do appreciate you being here. And try this recipe. It's really a good one. If you don't like peppers with attitude, you can do this with bell peppers. They got a little bit of attitude, but not like jalapenos. Old dude's out of here.
Get in my belly!